Greetings from sunny Thailand. Today is December 1st, 2025, and this is the last video update of the year, as well as the final video report from the Siam Oriental Dream project. Because this month, the Siam Oriental Dream project will be put into operation. Speaker 1 inhales. And starting from December 15th, we will begin handing over apartment keys to our buyers. Please don't forget to schedule your apartment handover appointment in advance, as keys are handed over strictly by prior arrangement so that we can give each of our buyers enough time and attention. We are now inside the Siam Oriental Dream project and will show you the current status of the work as of today. A complete inspection and check of all apartments has been finished. Work on individual modifications requested by our clients is ongoing. The internal cleaning of the entire building has begun, along with the final preparation of the premises. The registration of the project as a condominium with the land department is ongoing. All necessary information has been sent to all our buyers by email and WhatsApp, and I would also like to remind you that all required payments must be made before receiving the keys. And please don't forget to bring your passport when you come to collect your keys. And now you have arrived at the construction site of our 12th project, Siam Oriental Oasis. Let's go take a look at what's happening on the site right now. The project is also being built according to schedule, and as of today, the following stages are complete. Piling is 90% finished in Building A, 90% in Building B, and 100% in Building C. Foundation work for Buildings A and B is 60% complete, and in Building C, it is 85% complete. The extensive wall construction on the entire lower level of Building C is now approximately 80% completely finished. The installation of structures and elements for the collection and treatment of wastewater is 50% complete. We congratulate all our subscribers and customers on the upcoming Christmas and New Year. Thank you for being with us this year and sharing important events and emotions together. We sincerely hope to continue this journey with you in 2026 as well.